the pneumatic high-performance spring compressor from SWSTAHL. Suitable for all types of vehicles from compact cars to transporters. Safety is the top priority. The safety chain holds the spring on the compressor in case of emergency. The safety cage with snap lock provides reliable protection. The movable clamping arms adapt precisely to any spring geometry. Operation is conveniently controlled via the foot pedal for controlled, safe work with both hands free. Various spring plates allow use with a wide range of spring sizes and winding directions. Changing them is quick and tool-free. Spring plates that are not needed can be stored directly on the side of the spring compressor. Always within reach, always organized. For special spring plate geometries, the strut can also be attached via a clamping mount on the shock absorber tube. Power, control, safety. The pneumatic spring compressor from SWSTAHL, developed for professionals who expect more.